Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Library Facts. Today we're going to discuss a topic that's incredibly important for librarians and information science students. Yes, we're talking about chain indexing. This is a system that helps us organize and categorize any subject in a systematic and straightforward manner. So let's dive deep into understanding this topic. Chain indexing is an indexing technique developed by the great Indian librarian and information scientist, Dr. S.R. Ranganathan in 1938. This technique is primarily used in libraries to systematically organize books and other materials. The main objective of chain indexing was to create a system that was not only easy to understand but also simple to use. This technique proved to be a revolutionary step in the field of library and information science. Several key features make chain indexing stand out from other indexing techniques. 1. Natural order. In chain indexing, subjects are organized in their natural order. This means that any subject is linked with its related subtopics to form a chain, making it easier to understand that subject. 2. Use of chains. In this technique, a chain of subtopics related to a main subject is created. 3. Simplicity. Chain indexing is designed to be simple and intuitive. Users can easily search for any subject and access all the related subtopics. 4. Flexibility. Another significant aspect of chain indexing is its flexibility. You can easily add new subjects and subtopics to it. Chain indexing holds a vital place in library science. Its importance can be understood through the 1. Organized information. Through chain indexing, librarians can systematically categorize any book, document, or other material. 2. Ease of use. Chain indexing is designed with user convenience in mind. This system is created to provide users with comprehensive information on any subject. 3. Data management. Through chain indexing, large libraries and databases can be easily managed. 4. Improvement in library services. Chain indexing can also be used to improve library services. This system helps users find the necessary information quickly, thereby improving the quality of library services. To understand chain indexing better, let's take examples. Suppose you are looking for information on bioinformatics. In chain indexing, you can also obtain information on other related subtopics like genetic data analysis, molecular biology, protein structure, etc. Like every system, chain indexing has its own set of advantages and limitations. 1. Simplicity and ease of understanding. Chain indexing is very simple to use and understand. This system allows users to easily access various aspects of a subject. 2. Broad search. Through this system, you can access all the subtopics related to any subject. It helps in comprehensive and in-depth study. 3. Flexibility. The flexibility of chain indexing makes it a highly useful system. You can easily add any new subject or subtopic to it. There are some limitations like 1. Requires expertise. Although chain indexing is easy to understand, implementing it effectively requires a deep understanding of the subject and expertise. 2. Complexity. Sometimes when the number of subtopics becomes too large, this system can become complex. This may make it difficult for users to find information. 3. Limited application. Chain indexing cannot be used for all types of subjects. Chain indexing is an effective indexing technique that is extremely useful not only for librarians, but also for researchers and students. This system presents information in an organized and structured form, helping users obtain comprehensive information on any subject. We hope you found this information useful. If you liked our video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Library Facts. In upcoming videos, we'll discuss even more interesting topics. Thank you.